Hello everyone. In our last lecture, we have created model class, adapter and list view for a restaurant subcategory. So let's see. On clicking first category, we are able to see the list here. We stuck at a point in restaurant adapter. So we missed this point. We forget to add it with this super constructor. So I have added it and it's working fine now. So now, as I previously said, that we have to create views similar like this. So we have to add here name and address and image. So let's create a good view for that because its user interface is not looking good. The one we have created, this one, this is not looking good. So I have created an image view of 80 size and let's put these in relative card view. Okay, and here now let's provide it yes and elevation and card elevation. Okay, and margin from all the direction, and yeah, that's it. Okay, now it should be on left. Why it's getting margin from top? Margin left. Okay, let's remove this line and okay now, and its size should be 20 and its color black. Okay, now this is for name and another view for address. Okay, and let's change its color to blue. Okay, and should be margin from top okay, 60 is too much, so 50, 40 is okay. Okay, now this is for address, this is for name, and this is for image. Okay, and let's get uh, another image, this one. Okay, I have downloaded it from here, so I'm getting this image and paste inside drawable, and image name should be always in small letter. Okay. Source, let's img. Okay, img. Okay, and set it on complete 80 by 80. So for that, scale type should be fit xy, but it's not looking good in this way. So let's choose another image that should be in square, or let's remove this thing. And let's choose another image. This one, this one, this one. This one, or this one. Open a new tab and save image as. Okay, and copy this image, paste inside drive, and a. Now make it scale type fit xy. Okay, now do one thing. Go to adapter and text address. Okay, and set address also. Get name. Okay, so run it again, and let's make it smaller than the name. So it's 17. Address is 17. Okay. So let's see. You can see the view in your XML also. It will look like this. Okay, so my largest section. Okay, okay, okay. Now card view. We can use material card view here if we want to make boundary of card view. So card view of type material type. Okay, and stroke color black and stroke width 2 dp. Okay, now you can see it's looking different. Okay, a better like 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 is better than. Okay, it's looking better now, but the image is means it's not looking good. So what we can do, we can make it gravity center vertically. Okay, and margin 3. Okay, so here we have completed with the category part. Okay, now similarly, like Italian restaurant list, you can add for Indian, Greek, and Chinese. Okay, and after this one, on click of any item, we will reach to map activity. This one, and yeah, but it's not looking good like this. So what we can do, instead of giving margin here from top, we can set it below, or we can give it 35. Okay, and somewhat padding, because 5. Okay, now in next session we will work on map, and we will create other data for other categories also.